Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video you can enjoy outline and stem stitch. The outline stitch and the stem stitch are two very similar embroidery stitches that are often used interchangeably. They are both created by making a series of straight stitches that are worked in a forward and backward motion. The main difference between the two stitches is the direction of the twist in the stitches. Outline stitch. The outline stitch is worked with the working thread above the needle. This creates a twisted stitch that is slightly raised from the fabric. The outline stitch is often used for outlining objects such as flowers, leaves, or letters. So the stem stitch is worked with the working thread below the needle. This creates a twisted stitch that is slightly sunken into the fabric. The stem stitch is often used for outlining objects such as stems or vines. It can also be used for filling in shapes. Here is some additional tips for using the outline stitch and stem stitch. Use a sharp needle to make sure that the stitches are neat and tidy. Use a consistent thread tension to prevent the stitches from puckering. Space the stitches evenly to create a smooth line. Use a contrasting thread color to make the stitches stand out from the fabric. With a little practice, you will be able to use the outline stitch and the stem stitch to create beautiful and intricate embroidery objects. I help us. Please subscribe my channel. Enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.